The no more boundaries. Dive into endless fun with a foldable pool table. Have you ever dreamt of having your very own personal pool table, but dismissed it as an impossible luxury due to limited space? Prepare to be amazed because we've found the perfect solution for you. The top 5 foldable pool tables that will make all your dreams come true. With their unique folding design, these tables are not only practical and space-saving, but also offer the same level of enjoyment and competition as traditional pool tables. Now you can finally indulge in endless hours of fun right in the comfort of your own home, without compromising on style or functionality. Get ready for a game-changing addition that will take your entertainment experience to new heights. Number 1. Best with foldable legs. Hathaway Fairmont Portable 6-Foot Pool Table. The Hathaway Fairmont Portable 6-Foot Pool Table is one of the more popular options when it comes to portable and foldable pool tables. It's designed to cater to those who want the experience of playing pool, but don't necessarily have the space or means for a permanent installation. Specification. Brand: Hathaway. Color: blue. Material: engineered wood. Product dimensions: 76-inch long, 43.25-inch width and 32-inch high. Sport: billiards. Item weight: 115.5 pounds. Number of players: 2. Base material: metal. Frame material: alloy steel. What we like: American design, made of high-quality alloy steel. Foldable steel legs. Nylon bag for transport. The tabletop has a blended wool feel. Chrome-plated corner castings. L-profile cushions. Integrated leg levelers. What we don't like: the table is not light enough for one person to move. The playing surface is bowed and not level. Number 2. Best MDF Portable Pool Table. Homcom Folding Pool Table. The Homcom Folding Pool Table is another option in the realm of portable and foldable pool tables. Aimed primarily at the casual player or those with space constraints, Homcom's offering brings the pool to a wider audience, without the need for permanent installations or dedicating an entire room to the game. Specification. Brand: Homcom. Color: green. Material: engineered wood. Product dimensions: 54 inches long, 25 inches width, and 29.5 inches high. Sport: billiards. Item weight: 10 pounds. Assembly required. Number of players: 2. Base material: plastic. Frame material: engineered wood. What we like: made to look and feel like an authentic pool table. Foldable and space-saving. Quality construction. Adequate 55-inch surface area. What we don't like: cues are poor quality. Number 3. Best lightweight. GLD Products Fat Cat TrueShot 6-Foot Pool Table. The Fat Cat TrueShot 6-Foot Pool Table by GLD Products is a compact and portable pool table designed for those who may not have the space for a full-size table, but still want to enjoy the game of pool. Set of billiard balls, 2 cues, 1 billiard brush, 1 ball triangle, and 2 chalks. Specification. Brand: Fat Cat. Color: black. Material: wood. Product dimensions: 76 inches long, 43 inches wide, and 32 inches high. Sport: billiards. Item weight: 114 pounds. No assembly required. Number of players: 2. Home recommended uses for product: top material type: wood. What we like: foldable 6-foot pool table. Portable, scratch-resistant black tabletop complementing all room decors. TrueShot aiming system. What we don't like: does not have a cover. The legs need to be tightened with screws. The brush is too small. The chalk is blue, and it should be black to match the felt. Number 4. Best overall. Go Sports Midsize Pool Table. Go Sports is known for producing a variety of recreational equipment and games. The Go Sports Midsize Pool Table is another example of their effort to create products suitable for those who don't have space for full-sized equipment or are looking for more portable options. Includes a mid-size billiards table with 15 regulation balls and the cue ball. Ball rack, 2 57-inch cue sticks, 2 chalk, and felt brush. Specification. Brand: Go Sports. Color: red. Material: synthetic. Product dimensions: 76 inches long, 43 inches wide, and 31 inches high. Sport: billiards. Item weight: 69.4 kilograms. Assembly required. Number of players: 2. Base material: alloy steel. Frame material: alloy steel. What we like: comes pre-assembled. Legs are easy to fold. Portable, sturdy and durable. Heavy-duty steel frame. Premium red felt. 1-year warranty. What we don't like. Expensive. Heavyweight. Some screws fall off underneath the table with time and need to be tightened. Number 5. Best portable and beginner-friendly. Rack Leo 4-foot folding billiard pool table. The Rack Leo 4-foot folding billiard pool table is designed for those who want to enjoy the game of pool, but are limited by space or prefer a portable option. Presenting a 4-foot foldable pool table that is great for kids, beginners, and your average player. The table is sturdy and stays stable, giving you a wonderful even surface to play. Specification: brand, rack, color, blue, material, engineered wood, product dimensions, 47 by 25 and 27 inches, sport, billiards, item weight, 35.2 pounds, assembly required, base material, engineered wood, frame material, engineered wood, top material type, engineered wood, what we like, cheap compared to other boards, lightweight, can be handled by one person, great after-sales customer service, lifetime warranty, what we don't like. The cue sticks are a bit lightweight and need adjusting. The balls are quite small and can be ingested by pets or small toddlers. The racking triangle is a bit large for the balls. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Cole products, as it will make your life much easier.